In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Us West to TurboTax Online, Intuit.com. Before we sign in, here's what your TurboTax account actually is. It's your Intuit login, and it securely stores your past and current tax returns, W-2s and 1099s, payment details, your IRS filing status, and data shared with other Intuit products. If you've ever used QuickBooks, Mint, or Credit Karma, you already have an Intuit ID. You use the same email and password across all of them, so there's no need to create a new account each year. Let's log in on a computer. Open your browser and go directly to turbotax.intuit.com. For security, type the address yourself rather than clicking links in emails or ads to avoid phishing. On the homepage, select Sign In, then choose TurboTax Online. You'll land on the Intuit sign-in page. Enter your user ID, which can be your email or your phone number, and your password. If prompted, complete verification by entering the 6-digit code sent to your email or phone, or by confirming your recovery info, then click Continue. Once you're in, you'll arrive at your TurboTax dashboard. From here, you can start a new return,